Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to unbox and hands-on on the new Smallrig dual handle grip for DJI RoninS. Before the productions, I discussed with Smallrig to have a more portable solutions for easy packing. Therefore, Smallrig came out a very brilliant idea which you can disassemble into a smaller pieces for easy packing. Let's unbox and take a look of the dual handle grip. There are two grips, two handlebars, and a clamp. Without talking much, let's put them together to test it. The first impression of the build quality is really solid, and they are mostly built with aluminum alloy. To mount your accessory to the handle grip, you also need some of the Smallrig accessories too. For example, we got here Smallrig horseshoe mount adapter with anti-off button. So my overall impression is pretty good. If you need a lot of accessories in your setup, this may be your choice. But for me, I more prefer Smallrig single wooden handle grip. This is because it is still a smaller factor compared to dual handle grip. At the same time, you can control all the buttons on the DJI RoninS. Therefore, the Smallrig single wooden handle grip is more suitable for my needs. If you are interested to know more about the wooden single handle grip, you can check out the video above. Thank you for watching. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please hit the like button and share to your friends. And please remember to help me to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.